Hello guys, welcome to another chess grind series game. It's my turn. It's my new chess.com ID. So can I play a Scotch here? Center attack early on d4 by d4. Okay, my opponent attack my bishop, now my knight. I want to make a free move. Okay, to improve my pieces and trying to win a free pawn here. Let's try. So not winning any pawn. So generally I have to save it on 4. So e4 pawn is under attack again. But I have this forcing move here. Uh, out of the queen, I think he must capture because he could go back to d8. So hope all guys support my channel, Shadhok moves, and this chess.com name is okay. My bishop is under attack, so just go for a check. Not knight captures. Yeah, knight goes here, and I can attack the queen. And here is an attack, so I have to save maybe knight on f4. Let's try to save my e pawn, fd pawn. Let's check also. Let's capture. Nice plan. We must resign because we have to capture this pawn, go for checkmate. I can go for challenge or I can attack. Uh, I can just save it. Save C pawn, he can capture my A pawn. Then I can activate my rook, knight. Oh, he can take it. Capture, capture. I think I can do it now. He missed that again. Yeah, I think we must give up the exchange now. So I think this is second time is I think I can simply capture the queen. Two rooks in my board, I think. Should easily win it. And next move I can just challenge it and go for checkmate. But here's this pawn push and open mic is recording sound. I'm making 3 videos. Okay, there is an attack. That means he cannot capture because there is this check, and yeah, he survived now. We understand that. Okay, he can win one pawn and C pawn he can win. So with his only one rook he's playing so good, but I'm not playing good. I think I should challenge this. If I can exchange the rooks, the remaining rooks, then he cannot win the game. No. So double attack, and all the active pieces of the black is not in the board. Thing attack the king set pawn. I need can connect. Not nice push. I can capture. So now he can win the knight. Pushing the pawn, he saw that, and I'm happy. 5 minutes in the clock, and one rook free. Time for just push it, and this is weak pawn. Anytime my opponent is going to resign. So I think who is following my channel, so hope they can play like this if they follow my games. And I think like if you are still on 1100 1200, you can easily beat your opponent. Like me, I just got a rook up. You see how I got it, because my real rating is 1800 plus. So thank you guys for this recorded, and I just thanks for watching. Hope you like, subscribe my channel.